It was a rebirth for him also as a child, and for me also as a mother, as a very strong mother.
Sometimes I used to wait for him to just hold my hand. That holding of hand would speak a lot of words.
How did you feel when the treatment was over? वो डॉक्टर ने जब बोला कि ही इज़ अ कैंसर सर्वाइवर, दैट वाज द बेस्ट मोमेंट. उस दिन मुझे लगा कि मैंने एक्चुअली आज उसको जन्म दे दिया. इट वाज अ रीबर्थ फॉर हिम ऑल्सो एज अ चाइल्ड, एज अ हेल्दी चाइल्ड, and for me also as a mother, as a very strong mother.
So when his treatment was over, we were a little bit relieved but confused. Like the fright always behind your mind that will it come back or now he is absolutely fine. And within 4 months it relapsed and he expired.
Did you keep any secrets from each other?
Secrets. Okay. Before beginning, I would just want to apologize to my mother. I'm sorry. मुझे कुछ खाने देते नहीं थे. फीकी दाल, वो मेस में बनाई हुई. ठीक है, खाना तो मिलता था, पेट में जाता था, पेट भरता था, लेकिन मन नहीं भरता था. My mother, she used to eat some biscuits. If at all she left some biscuits, तो रात को if any by chance I wake up, I used to quietly take that biscuit and I used to eat it.
Now I can relate कि मेरा बच्चू किचन में जाता था, जैसे क्या कर रहा है इसलिए कुछ नहीं I used to run. So now I think he might also have secret, but let me tell you what secret I used to keep from him. कैंसर वर्ड मैंने कभी नहीं यूज़ किया, आज भी नहीं यूज़ करती उसके सामने. आई यूज़ टू टेल हिम कि बेबी तू थोड़ा ना कमज़ोर हो गया है, सो डॉक्टर ने बोला है कि यहाँ से पूरा ट्रीटमेंट करके हम स्ट्रॉन्ग निकलेंगे, विल बी द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट पर्सन इन द वर्ल्ड. तो उसको वो बहुत ही वो लग रहा था कि अरे मैं सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग रहूँगा. एंड ही इज़ लाइक मम्मी मुझे एब्स आएगा क्या, मुझे मसल्स आएगा. लगे हाँ सब कुछ होगा तेरे को, यू हैव टू लिसन टू डॉक्टर्स एंड मी.
How did cancer impact the relationship between you and your patient or caregiver? My husband travels a lot. I'm busy with kids and he's busy with his work. But at this point of time, I realized that, he dropped everything for me and he was there by my side and I could feel that, love and care which he was giving, which definitely we fail to, express usually.
I know that simple touch, that assurance used to save a lot of, sometimes it was my touch. Sometimes I used to wait for him to just hold my hand. That holding of hand would speak a lot of words, which in our entire married life, we'd never done that to each other.
I remember this incident. I wanted to break down. And I remember he was holding my hand and said कि मम्मा हिम्मत रखो, everything is gonna be all right. कोई नहीं तो क्या हुआ, मैं हूँ आपके साथ. मतलब 4 साल का बच्चा इतनी हिम्मत कर सकता है तो why not me? और हमारा एक रिलेशन इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गया कि अभी ऐसा लगता है कि वो मेरा बेटा नहीं है, मतलब अभी 8 साल का है, बट वी आर लाइक फ्रेंड्स.
What was the most difficult thing about the disease?
I remember he was bald. His under eyes was black. He was very skinny. I was dropping him to the school right in the gate. I saw few parents removing their children away from my child when he was going. So I was just standing there and it was very hard for me to just see that. वो चला गया. And when he came back, शाम को he's like, I don't want to go school. I'm like, what happened, Papa? Then he said कि मेरे को एलियन चिढ़ाते हैं, टकला बोलते हैं, स्किनी बोलते हैं. But still उसको मैंने हिम्मत दिया ना. I said कि बेबी थोड़ा पेशेंस रख, you're gonna come out as a hero and the same people will like, you're the hero.
ट्रीटमेंट के बाद जब मैंने मतलब रीजॉइन किया स्कूल, क्या मैं whenever they used to see my ID card तो बोलते थे तू 2 साल बड़ा है तो क्या फेल हुआ था. They used to mock me. At that point of time I felt very frustrating.
He was always proud of his looks. So when I saw him with around 33 stitches on his face, I knew this was going to be very difficult for him to handle. So for 2 days we didn't show him the mirror, everything was on the bed. The third day, when he saw himself in front of the mirror, none of us could handle him. It was the most difficult day. Suddenly, his face was changed, He'd worn someone else's mask, which he couldn't relate to. That devastated everyone in the family, and no one could help him.
Is cancer a financial drain? Yeah, definitely it was. Because we never imagined that something like this could ever happen.
बीइंग अ सिंगल मदर, मेरे पास कोई फंड नहीं था और मैंने एडमिट कर दिया एंड आई डिडंट न्यू कि मैं कैसे क्या करूँगी. बट येस, आई वुड से आई वाज लिटिल लकी कि मुझे एनजीओ से काफ़ी हेल्प मिले और जल्दी मिले. द थिंग वाज कि मुझे जल्दी मिले. द थिंग व्हाट आई वुड से इज़ कि हमको ऐसा लगता है हमारे साथ कभी कुछ गलत नहीं होगा. और मेरे पास मेरा मेडिकल था लेकिन मेरे बच्चों का मेडिकल नहीं था. कल मैं कैसे उसका ट्रीटमेंट कंटिन्यू करूँगी वो भी सोचना है, और मैं अपने बच्चों को कैसे संभालूंगी वो भी सोचना है, और मैं अपने आप को कैसे संभालूंगी वो भी सोचना है.